Welcome to Derm Insight. In this video, I will show you how to use Ebglyss, a treatment for moderate to severe atopic dermatitis. Ebglyss works by blocking IL-13, a key cytokine in eczema, helping reduce inflammation, itching, and skin lesion with a rapid onset of action. Before starting, remove the pen from its box and let it reach room temperature if needed. The injection pen has numbers to guide you step by step. Number 1. Twist to remove the cap completely. Number 2. Turn to unlock the device. Then place the pen firmly against the skin at the injection site. Number 3. Press the button. The piston will move down as the medication is delivered. Keep the pen pressed until the injection is complete. After removing the pen, gently massage the injection site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Derm Insight.